Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show something I wanted to show you. I just record because it's so funny. Okay. Where did they go? The whole server was flipping. That's what I mean. They were flying around everywhere. It's just too funny. Wait, can you hear me? Yes, you can. But they were flying around here. I think we need to spam them again. I go spam some portals and stuff. Then it will go to do act weird. Fidget spinner. This is so weird. The gravity is broken in the server. What's that? I go spam more of them. This is so funny. No, this is so weird. What if I will... lol. Okay, I'll delete that before it does anything weird. What? What is this? That's a weird chair. A new UFO appeared. This whole server is broken or something. What? What is that? Where do they come from? This is exactly what I wanted to record. I don't know how we even did this, but that's just too funny. Hi, if you want to know what that is, that is a conveyor. We were making some cards and do this, but now we did this because it's funnier. Everything is flying around. Like this portal, it's just too random. More portals. The portals are the blocks that breaks the game. Like now. This is so weird. Oh yeah, UFO. The table is in the way. It works with this too, I hope. I guess it's not only with that pistol thing. Oh bruh. Yeah, they are acting weird again. What? Oh, I will do a bigger thing. Like this. It's walking upstairs. This game is gonna crash soon, I guess. It's just too funny. This is more glitchy, this one. But everybody, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.